Seeing mice in your house can be stressful. In addition to causing fear, rodents can spread disease, trigger asthma and allergy symptoms, and cause costly property damage, says Cindy Mann, Senior Vice President of Public Affairs for the National Pest Management Association. But many products can alleviate the problem quickly and safely. There are many products available to choose cheap best mice traps, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap best mice traps from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Victor Electronic Mouse Trap. Electronic mouse traps use high voltage shocks to deal with mice quickly and efficiently. When we home tested this product, we found it easy to use and clean, and we appreciated its squeamish-free removal. In fact, we found this to be one of the easiest traps to set, compared with spring-loaded traps we've used. The simplicity of baiting it and turning it on made the process quick and easy, and we didn't have to worry about snapping our fingers in the tension bar, our home tester reported. And the manufacturer has been a prominent name in pest control since the late 19th century. To use it, you bait the built-in bait cup inside a chamber, which is removable for easy disposal, and hit the on switch. The presence of a rodent causes the lethal electric shock, powered by 4 AA batteries, not included. The manufacturer claims the product kills 100% of unwelcome visitors. We also like that this is an OC device. A blinking green light alerts you that a mouse is trapped inside. And we appreciate that a built-in safety switch deactivates the trap when it is open, helping protect children and pets. Handily, this product also includes suggestions for simple food lures, such as cheese and peanut butter. You can buy this trap as a single or in sets of 1, 2, 3, or 4. Number 2. Motel Mouse Humane Mouse Trap. You can catch mice without killing them by using a product such as the Motel Mouse Humane Mouse Trap. We found that these humane traps work amazingly as promised, and that it's impossible for mice to escape once they're inside. This reusable trap, which comes 2 in a pack for under $15, captures mice alive, and you can then release them outside without having to touch them. Not only is this kinder to the animals, but the traps do not rely on pesticide baits, and do not have any snapping mechanism. The traps come in 2 sizes, and the larger size seems big enough for most common mouse varieties. To use this trap, you simply place bait, such as peanut butter or other foodstuff, in the food compartment, and open the spring door. When a mouse enters the tunnel-like trap, the door closes behind it, but don't worry, air holes ensure it can breathe. We also like that the trap cleans up with just soap and hot water, and comes with a cleaning brush. Number 3. Victor Metal Pedal Mouse Trap. If you want to spend little money on traps, or just prefer old-fashioned wire snap traps, the Victor Metal Pedal Mouse Traps are the way to go. The classic trap the manufacturer says they have produced them for 120 years is extremely budget-friendly, typically costing around $2 per item. You also can buy them in sets of 4. Or buy a set of 64 for under $35. They also are made of wood from responsibly managed forests, according to the manufacturer. But they do require a steady hand to set up. With this trap, you place a little bit of bait on the pedal, then pull back the bow and engage it with the locking bar. You can then place the trap with the bait pedal facing the wall, and when a mouse steps on it, the bar snaps. Although this trap is amazingly effective and reusable, keep in mind that it can be hard to set, and that you have to deal with the victim. Number 4. Tomcat Mouse Killer. The Tomcat Mouse Killer is a station you fill with the brand's bromethylene-based bait. The unit comes with a refillable station, as well as 16 1-ounce bait blocks, which kill mice within 24 to 48 hours after they ingest it. The manufacturer says each block kills up to 12 mice. This refillable bait station has a see-through lid, so you can monitor how much bait is left. To fill it, you simply load the bait into the removable cartridge, located at the bottom of the product, and push it into place. Mice can enter through either side of it. The unit is designed to be tamper-resistant to protect children and pets, but keep the trap away from your family members, as the bait is toxic, according to the Environmental Protection Agency. Number 5. JARMINERO Mouse Trap. Snap traps are some of the easiest to use and maintain, and the JARMINERO mouse traps do not disappoint. These traps come in a set of 12, and they are easy to set, thanks to removable bait cups. You insert the bait cup through the bottom of the trap, then pinch the end to set it. This differs from other snap traps in that the bait loads easily, and you don't have to place your fingers in range of the snap jaw. The sensitive pressure plate is triggered by just a few ounces, and it snaps close, killing rodents instantly. We also like that it's easy to dispose of the entire trap, or just the contents, without having to contact the invader. Also, this trap is reusable. You may not even have to add more bait to get the next mouse. As with all snap traps, the JARMINERO should be kept away from children and pets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.